This project is to measure the linear heights and also linear distances and also heights by using trigonometry theorems. Now we are using electronics here. This whole system is powered with Arduino, run with Arduino, and we have servo motor, ultrasonic, etc. Let us start this. Now opening the power bank and connecting again. You can see in the LCD it will show height finder and angle is 0 degrees. You can see this needle is also 0 degrees right now. The distance is 19 centimeters from here to this building. Now this is a building model, and also we have helicopter model which is representing different distances and different heights. Let us see how this works. Now to change the angle, we will rotate this potentiometer, and you can see the servo motor angle is also changing. I will press it, just a minute. Let me reset this once. Controlling this servo by using the potentiometer. So when we rotate, the angle changed and the needle is also pointing. Now the needle is pointing to the top of the building here. The same information is displayed in display like 50 degrees, and the distance is 22. So the height is 17 centimeters. Sorry, distance is 17 centimeters. So the height is 22 centimeters. Similarly, if we remove this building from here, the next distance or the object will be the helicopter stand, which is around 36 centimeters. So as soon as with the same angle, as soon as we change the distance and also height changes, which is now 46 centimeters. Now the same pointer is also pointing towards this helicopter. So this is a whole system where we are representing the trigonometrical mathematical formulas with electronic concepts. If you want this project, you can use it for the science fair, or you can use it for mathematics demonstrations in the classroom, which will be very helpful for students to understand, and also it will be very interactive. Before turning off, we need to reset the angle to 0 degrees so that it will be safe. Just checking whether the ultrasonic and everything is correct or not. That's all. You can order this kit from our website, and we will also customize these modules as per your requirement.